Welcome to the Motorvation Car Club, where we're pleased to present this 2017 67 plate Land Rover Range Rover Vogue. This Range Rover has 45,500 miles on the clock from new and benefits from a full Land Rover Service History. This vehicle has a factory fitted SVO Bodykit, and this works really well alongside the black pack features. This Vogue also has deployable side steps, which can be turned off or on by driver option. This Range Rover has 21-inch gloss black turbine alloys, which are all in immaculate condition. As you can see, the combination of the factory fitted SVO body kit alongside the silver metallic paint and black pack give this Land Rover a lot of road presence. To the rear we have a quad exhaust system, which is a feature of the SVO body kit. As we move inside the vehicle, you can see that it's a very luxury environment comprising of black leather seats and cream leather dash and centre console. The specification here really is massive. We've got an integrated fridge, heated and cooled seats. We've got a very luxurious half leather, half black piano veneer steering wheel, and the ambient lighting has a multitude of colour changes. We have a Meridian sound system, and the centre console has your standard settings as you would expect. We have sat nav, we have Apple CarPlay requirements, we also have reversing cameras, and we have a full sound system as well as integrated television. Internally, the car enjoys a full length panoramic roof with integrated sun visor. Passengers in the rear can enjoy more than ample space and also benefit from the full-length panoramic roof. Rear seats can be both heated and cooled and can be reclined. The boot space opens as a split tailgate, which can be key controlled or push button, and there's ample storage space in the rear of the vehicle. So in summary, the SVO body kit, deployable side steps, fridge and heated and cooled seats, panoramic roof and the wood veneer options all make this an absolutely massive specification and great value for money. Please go on our website for further details. We look forward to hearing from you.